Many times people ask me what can go wrong with an estate plan once you've put it together. Well, here's one of the things that can go wrong. I had a client once who had a business, and he had a first marriage that he was divorced from his wife, but he had children there, and he had a second wife and no children from the second marriage. He had done nothing because he thought everything was going to go to his wife. That's what he told me. And I said, no, it's not the way it's going to go. So before I could convince him, he went and died. So his business was actually going to be split up and had to be run between his second wife and his first kids. So I wonder how that went. Another thing that can go wrong is that you have a business and you have different people, different of your kids involved in the business. Some don't want to be involved in the business. Maybe they're more art related or whatever. And so consequently, they all think they're going to get 1/5, if there's 5 of them, of everything that you have, including that business. Well, that doesn't work out too well because they think they should get the same salary that the person involved in the business gets. And that doesn't work out well for them or for the business. So one other thing that people also forget is you, as the business owner, get a salary and perks out of that business. And what happens when you die and you don't have anything left for your spouse to live off of? That spouse has been living off of it just like you have, your salary, your retirement benefits, and all of the other perks you have, and now has nothing. So that doesn't work very well either. Another thing that I see a lot of fights over is personal property. People need to write a list of who they want to give to what person, or if they don't do it that way, the children can fight over things. The second spouse can fight over things. So you live with a second spouse and you have all of your sentimental pictures and they're all in the house with the second spouse. Things that the kids grew up with from the first marriage, and they all want it and your second spouse won't give it. So this is why it's important to look at those things, look at the collectibles, look at the things you have in your house that actually belong to your children and they grew up with these things, and make sure that you've provided for them. There are many other examples, and I bet you can provide some yourself of things that you've seen that have gone wrong.